How do I get the most bang for my buck when it comes to home improvements? Spring is a time when flowers bloom and home sales peak, but it's also a time when we can shake the dust off of our home improvement projects. It's a time when you'll find homeowners out renovating their gardens and inside painting their walls to refresh their homes for the new season. But for those who are interested in selling this spring, what kind of home improvement projects will net them the biggest return on their investment? It's a crucial consideration as not all improvements will significantly enhance your home's value. Today, I'll go over what projects to avoid, what repairs to make, and how to select a good contractor to do the work. While upgrading is a great way to build on your home's existing value, there are plenty of upgrades that aren't worth your time or trouble. Upgrading your kitchen to the top of the line or making lavish landscaping changes aren't very cost effective. You also want to avoid partial upgrades at any cost. While finished projects may net you at least something in return, a half-done project might actually hurt your final sales price. When you embark on a project, make sure to see it through to completion. Don't rip out the cabinets in your kitchen, tear up the tile in your bathroom, or pull up the carpet in the living room unless you plan to finish the job. Adding to your home's value, however, isn't impossible. You've just got to pick the right projects to pursue. Consider replacing your garage door with something newer and fresher. While you're at it, manufactured stone veneer is a great touch to the exterior of the home. Improvements that catch the eye and make a good first impression are almost always worth looking into. While you don't want to go too in-depth, making sure that the landscaping is clean and nice is a great first step. Inside, look for mid-range remodels to the kitchen and touch-ups like fresh carpeting and paint. Don't break the bank, but make sure things are up to date and functional. One of the most critical considerations for any home improvement project is the contractor that you choose to perform the work. The right contractor will help you control costs, suggest high-quality additions that fit your budget, and get the details right the first time. In order to find this gem of a contractor, start by asking around to your friends, family, and even things like a neighborhood Facebook group. Generate a list of the top candidates and interview each of them to find the best fit. Don't just review their proposals, however. You also want to ask for examples of their finished work and any licenses or certifications that they possess. As you consider preparing your home for sale, think about the impact of each improvement on the home's appeal and value. Remember, strategic investments in your home can make a significant difference in its sale price. Ready to take the next step in maximizing your home's value? As with anything related to real estate, the answers could change based on your location and comparable sales. I'm here to help. You can contact us by phone at 608-345-6594 or email me directly at jdholt@kw.com for more personalized suggestions and any questions you might have. Let's work together to get the best possible price for your home. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video today, and until next time, be well.